the carbon bond, that's the solid line, is the carbon sp2 bond right here. And then the shaded, weakly shaded interaction between this carbon's p orbital and this carbon's p orbital is the second bond that's formed. And so you could also think of it as a kind of a molding between these two p orbitals. So an individual carbon atom, if it's sp2 hybridized, would have 1, 2, and 3 sp2 orbitals that point away from each other at 120 degrees, and then 1 p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane that the 3 sp2 orbitals sit in. And I'll explain why it's perpendicular in a second.